Hi there. My name is Nick Nyber, and I'm with InitiativeOne, and we are honored to be currently working with over 120 teams throughout the U.S. here in 2022. Thank you for partnering with us. Thank you for trusting us to help make a deep impact for your team. Many of the new teams that consider working with us ask us two questions. Number one, will the InitiativeOne leadership process make a significant impact on my culture? And number two, will it last? Those are two really good questions. And we want to share with you what we know. The cultures of the organizations that we work with, we build stronger, healthier cultures that reduce the drama in your organization. The language that we share in our processes helps those organizations deal with issues, make better decisions, and address conflict in a healthy manner. One of the CEOs of a local organization said, "This process was immersive, but it wasn't overwhelming." The founder of another local organization here in Green Bay said, "True leadership is using all the available tools that you have, tearing down the barriers, and rebuilding it to make it a success." So what's the catch? Here's the catch. InitiativeOne is not some magic pill. It's not some flavor of the month. We know that real change takes real effort. Real change takes real work. And we at InitiativeOne are willing to get in the trenches with you to deal with those issues and help to create a healthy culture that sticks for the long haul. If this sounds like this is something interesting for you and your organization, reach out to us, give us a call, click on the link below, and let's start the conversation. Thank you.